Introduction. Welcome to our captivating design series, where we explore the fascinating world of creativity and aesthetics. In today's episode, we're delving into the concept of harmony and its profound impact on design. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone with a keen interest in art and aesthetics, understanding harmony is essential to creating visually stunning and impactful designs. Throughout history, harmony has been a guiding principle in various forms of artistic expression. From the breathtaking compositions of renowned painters to the elegant structures conceived by architectural geniuses, the pursuit of harmony has always played a central role. But what exactly is harmony in design, and why does it matter? Harmony, in the context of design, refers to the intentional arrangement and integration of various visual elements to create a unified and balanced whole. It is the art of bringing together colors, shapes, textures, typography, and other design elements in a way that evokes a sense of coherence, rhythm, and visual pleasure. Think about it: when you encounter a well-designed logo, a thoughtfully laid out web page, or a beautifully furnished room, what is it that catches your eye and draws you in? It's often the harmonious arrangement of elements that captivates us, makes us feel a sense of connection, and leaves a lasting impression. Harmony in design goes beyond mere aesthetics. It enhances the functionality, usability, and overall user experience. It helps convey a message, tell a story, and elicit emotions. Whether it's creating a brand identity, designing a product, or crafting a user interface, incorporating harmony into your design process can elevate the impact and effectiveness of your work. But achieving harmony in design is no easy task. It requires a deep understanding of the fundamental principles that govern visual composition. Elements such as unity, balance, proportion, contrast, and repetition all play crucial roles in the pursuit of harmonious design. Throughout this series, we will explore each of these design principles in detail, providing you with practical tips, inspiring examples, and expert insights. By understanding these principles and learning how to apply them effectively, you'll gain the tools and knowledge to create visually stunning and harmonious designs. So, join us on this exciting journey as we unlock the secrets of harmony in design. Whether you're a professional designer or simply someone with a passion for aesthetics, we guarantee that you'll gain valuable insights and inspiration to take your creative endeavors to new heights. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes, and let's embark on this harmonious adventure together. In this segment, we'll delve into the fundamental principles that contribute to creating harmonious designs. Are you ready to dive deeper? Let's begin. Our first principle is unity. Unity is the cohesive bond that brings all elements of a design together, creating a sense of visual harmony. It ensures that every part of the design relates to and supports the overall concept or message. To achieve unity, designers consider factors such as color palette, typography, imagery, and consistent styling throughout the project. Next up, we have balance. Balance is the distribution of visual weight in a design, which can be achieved through symmetrical or asymmetrical arrangements. Symmetrical balance involves dividing the design into equal parts that mirror each other, creating a sense of stability and formality. On the other hand, asymmetrical balance involves arranging different elements strategically to create a visually balanced composition that's dynamic and engaging. Proportion and scale are crucial in achieving harmony. Proportion refers to the relative size and scale of elements within a design. By carefully considering the size and relationship between elements, designers can create a pleasing visual balance. Scale, on the other hand, involves the sizing of elements in relation to each other and their surroundings. Properly managing proportion and scale ensures that the design elements work together harmoniously. Now, let's talk about contrast. Contrast involves the juxtaposition of different elements, such as colors, textures, shapes, or sizes, to create visual interest and highlight important information. When used effectively, contrast adds depth, emphasis, and hierarchy to a design. It creates a dynamic interplay between elements, contributing to the overall harmony of the composition. Lastly, we have repetition and rhythm. Repetition involves the consistent use of visual elements throughout a design. By repeating colors, shapes, patterns, or other elements, designers establish a sense of rhythm and unity. Repetition helps tie the design together, creating a cohesive and harmonious visual experience. These principles, unity, balance, proportion and scale, contrast, and repetition and rhythm, are essential tools in a designer's arsenal for achieving harmony. By understanding and applying these principles thoughtfully, designers can create visually pleasing and impactful designs that resonate with their intended audience. That wraps up our exploration of the design principles that contribute to harmony. Join us as we uncover the secrets of harmonious design and discover how to create captivating visuals that leave a lasting impression. As we come to the end of our journey through the world of harmony in design, let's take a moment to reflect on the valuable insights we've gained. Throughout this series, we've explored the principles that underpin harmonious design, and how they can transform our creative endeavors. Harmony in design is not merely about creating aesthetically pleasing visuals. It's about crafting experiences that resonate with people, evoke emotions, and communicate messages effectively. It's the delicate dance of balance, unity, proportion, contrast, and rhythm that brings a design to life. By understanding the importance of unity, we learn to create cohesive compositions where every element contributes to the overall message. With balance, we achieve visual stability and engage the viewer's eye. Proportion and scale help us establish relationships between elements and create a harmonious sense of proportion. Contrast adds excitement, depth, and hierarchy to our designs. And through repetition and rhythm, we create a cohesive flow that guides the viewer's gaze. Designers play a pivotal role in shaping the world around us. By embracing the principles of harmony, we can create designs that not only catch the eye but also convey meaning and evoke emotions. Whether it's designing a brand identity, a website, a product, or a piece of art, the pursuit of harmony will elevate the impact and resonance of our work. As we conclude this series, I encourage you to continue exploring the world of design and to incorporate the principles of harmony into your creative process. Experiment, play, and challenge yourself to create harmonious designs that inspire and captivate. Remember, harmony is not a fixed destination, it's an ongoing journey of discovery and refinement. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure through harmony in design. We hope this series has sparked your creativity, expanded your understanding, and empowered you to create designs that are not just visually pleasing, but harmonious in every sense. Keep exploring, keep designing, and may your creative endeavors always be in perfect harmony. Farewell. Before we wrap up, I'd like to ask for your support. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest design tips, tutorials, and insightful discussions on the fascinating world of creativity and aesthetics. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating content that educates, inspires, and entertains. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and click that like button and hit that subscribe button to become part of our creative community. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the principles of harmony in design. We appreciate your time and engagement. Until next time, keep creating, keep designing, and may harmony be your guiding light. Take care.